Havells presents Nicola 1200mm ceiling fan. This decorative ceiling fan is available in 6 different color variations. The fan features a contemporary look with decorative trims on the motor cover and the blades. It has a unique canopy design. It offers uniform air circulation even in large rooms and helps in keeping it cool and well ventilated. This ceiling fan is available in 4 sweep sizes: 600, 900, 1200 and 1400 mm. The high-efficiency motor consumes 68 watts of power and delivers great cooling at a lesser voltage. It provides 250 cmm air delivery at 280 rpm motor speed. These fans have with your debit or credit card or pay on delivery using cash or card.